I'm going to put Tesla and Plug Power on your screens. If you look at them, really, both of them had the air come out of those stocks, and many other stocks like them. Gregg Smith joins us now. I think you'll agree, Greg, that, the way to put it is the air has come out of some of these stocks. My question to you is, what does it tell you about the market?
Hey, good morning, Stuart. Well, lately tech investors feel like the emperor who has no clothes. And the market is definitely feeling like a tale of two cities here as we look at the headlines with the Dow making new highs, but tech investors underneath the surface have been getting carted away. We've all seen for the last few months retail investors chasing some of these high-tech names like Tesla, Plug Power, certainly many of the EV-related SPACs, all chasing them to the upside. But in the last few weeks, retail sentiment has really been crushed. Risk on has exited, and we're in a much different market right now. So to state the obvious, there's definitely an inverse correlation between interest rates and tech names. And, we're definitely seeing a big sell-off in tech go on. So the question is, when does it end and when do you pick a bottom?
Okay, and we don't really have an answer to those questions. But here's another question for you, Gregg Smith. When rates go up, and they are going up now, which stocks go up? And we know all about tech going down, but when rates go up, which stocks go up?
Well, it's obvious we've seen a massive rise in financials. The market right now is starting to highly favor value over growth. But look, the Fed can't stop a rise in interest rates when the rise is based on stronger fundamentals like we're currently seeing in the economy. So if we all look around and we believe the economy is going to continue to do better, I have to think rates are going to continue to drift higher. It just seems like the path of least resistance. So I wonder at what point does that stop and when is it safe to get back into the water with tech? Look, long-term fundamentals continue to be great for tech, but right now it's still for sale. It feels like tech names are going to be lower. If the FANG had a theme song, Stuart, I would be saying it's King George III in Hamilton singing "You'll Be Back," because at some point there'll be a buy, but it still feels like they're under pressure right now.
They are. I mean, we've got them on the screen right now. I see a small gain for Facebook. Well, not bad for Facebook, up $4. Minuscule gain for Microsoft, which has just turned around. You're right. They're still under pressure as interest rates rise, and that is the story of the day.
But they're great
Greg,
long-term holds.
Okay, yeah, and I'm not selling my Microsoft. I'm here for the very long term, as long as I live, probably. Gregg Smith, thank you, sir. We'll see you again real soon.